Oga Police. You policeman, swagger me not. You policeman, swagger me not. You policeman, swagger me not.
Okay, why you wanna do that? Oga Police, why you wanna swagger me? You see me smoking my dope, you wanna bother me and take me down to the station, but can't stop the motivation when I been speaking to the nation. I never lost the concentration. The truth can change the population. Ain't got no bad intention. All you do is come up with a false accusation to lock me in a cell, but it's all good. It ain't hard to tell. I'ma keep it real, so you better chill. After bail, I'ma still light up my L and reminisce, cause life goes on. Poor black crime. That's the reason why I write this song.
Tell me why I can't live my life so high. Yeah. Oh, why? Do you realize? Say I know my rights. Oga Police, oh. Oga Police. You policeman, swagger me not. You policeman, swagger me not. You policeman, swagger me not. Swagger me not. Yeah.
I beg, I'm on the playground, smoking and selling all the green grass. When I saw these folk men who back up, before I could know that they got me down. So mock me with the shoes, so I'm blaming what they talk to. What did I do? All the says of thanks number 2. From day, they drag me down the station, but remember after today, tomorrow I was still smoke my wonder. The real smokers never go to jail, so where the fuck go to jail? What's the cartel? Let them go to jail or go to hell. But I found out some hell with my riot. I say, Oga Police, so I got me nuts.
Tell me why I can't live my life so high. Yeah. Oh, why? Do you realize? Say I know my rights. Oga Police, oh. Oga Police. You policeman, swagger me not. You policeman, swagger me not. You policeman, swagger me not. Swagger me not.
I'm going in. Listen up, yeah. In case you forgotten, not a teller, neither am I a seller. Sean Joe and me, you are all inferior. Police niggas can't cause they know I'm superior. I prefer a police and a consact the DBA. While I don't my chin again. Neither did one know cause that pound with a unique material. And my mob's name is Victoria. Yeah, got that in mind that I'm gonna rain interior, stereo, in and out. And know you miss bacteria. If you're the bacteria, I got the vaccines and I'm going barrier. Yeah, I know my rights, so it's mine. And you can't deprive me what's rightfully mine.
Tell me why I can't live my life so